In this video, I will take you through an intense deep dive into two of the most polar opposite smartphones on the market today. On one side, we have the legendary iPhone 15 Pro Max, a device that defines elegance, premium software, and massive mass-market appeal. On the other side stands the 8849 Tank 3 Pro, a rugged beast that looks like it could survive a tumble down a mountain and still have enough power to light up a small stadium. When you look at these two devices side by side, the physical difference is staggering. The iPhone is slim, light, and fits comfortably in your pocket, whereas the Tank 3 Pro is an absolute unit of hardware that feels more like a piece of military equipment than a phone. The most shocking feature of the Tank 3 Pro has to be its massive battery capacity, which makes the iPhone look tiny by comparison. We are talking about days or even weeks of usage on a single charge. Beyond just the battery, the Tank 3 Pro features a built-in projector and a super powerful camping light, making it a dream for outdoor enthusiasts. However, the iPhone 15 Pro Max fights back with its incredible A17 Pro chip and a camera system that is arguably the best for video and social media. The software experience on iOS is buttery smooth and perfectly integrated with other gadgets. While the Tank 3 Pro offers raw power and unique tools, the iPhone offers a refined experience that most people prefer for daily life. Choosing between them depends on whether you value rugged utility or sleek performance. Thanks for watching, and let us know which one you would pick for your next adventure.